The bear, Caps, Pete, and Gabby looked around their empty campground. "Let's go do something fun," said Pete. "We could go exploring," said Gabby. Oh, they went. The Gabs strutted along. Soon they came to a big red building. Kids were getting out of buses. "Kids go here," said Pete. "This place must be fun." The bears crept closer to get a better look. A man came out carrying a flag. Up flew the flag. Creak, creak, creak. It flipped in the breeze. Gabs put their paws over their hearts, just as they had seen campers do at the campground. A bell rang. The bears stood very still. "What will happen now?" "Maybe we should go inside," said Pete. "Good idea," said Gabby. The Gabs opened a back door. Gabby peeked into a room. Pete banged the drum. He clenched the cymbal. Gabby tried to tambourine and she danced the triangle. "Someone's coming," said Pete. "Hide," said Gabby. "I thought I heard the drum," women said. "But no one here." She laughed. The Gabs looked both ways. They scampered across the hall. "Pens," said Pete, "like campers use in the classrooms." Gabby dipped one paw in red. She pressed it on the paper. Pete dipped his paw in blue. He said. "It smells good too." "Let's go to the wall," said Gabby. Gabs made paw print all over the white wall. Suddenly, Pete knocked over the red pens. "Careful," said Gabby. But her paw hit the yellow. "Oops! Let's get out of here." They slipped into another room. The Gabs looked around. This room was big. One wall was covered with rocks for climbing. "I can't do this," bragged Pete. Up the side of the wall he went. "I can't go higher," said Gabby. She climbed to the very, very top. Just then the door opened. A man wheeled into the cart. "Freeze!" hissed Gabby. "Not like a rock." The man pushed the cart into a closet and left. "Whew," said Gabby. "That was close." The Gabs clambered down. They heard squeaks and squeaks coming from next door, and the way went. There were small animals in cages. "Poor things," said Pete. "It's good we came," Gabby said. The Gabs opened each cage. Out hopped rabbits. The parakeet flew to the wassail. The guinea pig skewered under the teacher's desk. The hamster trotted to the back of the room. The snake slithered down the aisle. Mice scattered every which way. "We set them free," Gabby said. "Like us," said Pete. Gabby opened the door. "Oh," sniffed Pete. "I am hungry," he said. The bears headed toward good smell. 3 women were working behind the counter. One was turning a pot on the stove. The Gabs saw a table with green things. "Oh," said Pete. "Yummy." The bears climbed on the table and munched lettuce, pepper, broccoli. He reached out for the spinach. He knocked off the stem of salad bowl. Crush! Bears! Shrieked the women. Call 911! Call the police! Call the park ranger! Ring the fire alarm! Fire alarm went off. Children and teachers hurried out and stood in lines. Bears! Cried the kids, pointing. The cubs marched out. They formed their own line. Cats! Cried the bears, waving back. A police car whizzed. A fire truck rolled up. The ranger arrived on his motorcycle.
What are the cops doing here?
Asked the state trooper.
School is no place for bears. Oh, they just like to explore.
Said the ranger.
Bears will be bears. Put them in my back of my cruiser.
Said the trooper.
I'll take them back to the park.
Yes, said Gabby to Pete. A siren and flashing lights. The bears waved goodbye to the children. The kids waved back. Are we in trouble? Pete asked. We're always in trouble, said Gabby. But going to school was fun, Pete said. Yep, Gabby grinned. She winked at Pete. And as the ranger said,
Bears will be bears.
and that's the end of our story. The bears go to school. See you soon. Bye.